Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. Got another car we're getting ready to put on the lot. I wanted to share it with you. This is a 2014 Nissan Juke box. Now this is the Nismo trim package. Very sharp little car, sporty looking. Black cloth interior's got a lot of options on this thing. We'll share that with you once we get inside. You can see it does have the tinted windows on it. This is a sedan 4-door. Does have a backup camera, navigation on it, and some other features. Right here is your camera, so let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, it does have a power lift on this. I shouldn't say really a power lift, but it is an easy opening hatch lift on this. Quite a bit of room back here. The seats back here do fold down. Here's the buttons that you press for that. Show you a little bit of the inside. You see the LCD screen up there, push button, start, stop. So let's continue our walk around. Okay, there's the Juke emblem on the back of the car. Go up here on front, nice rims on this. Pretty cool looking headlights in this, very sleek looking. So let's go ahead and take a look inside in the back. One thing I wanted to point out, your door handle is right here. Okay, get in here, show you the black cloth interior. Does have red pinstriping. Show you up overhead, looks to be in good condition. Black door panels, chrome trim handles, pretty sharp. Okay, here we are up front. Do a little quick view before we hop in and get this thing started up. You do have some controls right down here in front on the left. Now, one thing, ladies and gentlemen, this is an all-wheel drive, so you do have a two-wheel drive, all-wheel drive selector. That's kind of a nice feature on it. So this car does have push button start. You can see the push button right here. I'm just going to depress down on the brake pedal, and it does start right up. You can see it firing up. So we will just take a look here, get a little bit closer, show you the gauges. The mileage on this as of now is 133,924 miles. So we'll back away. You see on the left side of your wheel, you do have Bluetooth connectivity for your smartphone. So your audio controls, the answer calls, in calls, adjust your volume up and down is right here. And you've got controls here that will control different displays on your cluster. And then on the right hand side of your wheel, controls for your cruise control. Go over here, show you the LCD monitor, then your climate control, and it goes down to your gear shift. And if you can see, you do have USB port, auxiliary in, and thirdly over here. So let's go ahead and drop this in reverse. You're going to see the rear view camera engage. So we'll put that back into drive. Now on a climate, you can hit this D mode, and you notice you can actually go through some different settings to see how your car is functioning. So that's a pretty cool feature. So with that, show you the passenger side. Seats are in great condition here. Plenty of room back here. But this is a pretty cool little car, guys. We've got it priced really nice. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here. Be happy to answer any questions you have. Got a lot of financing options available. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.